Lord, I'm just sitting here thinking about how good you are, how consistent you are, and how worthy you are, how wonderful you are, how kind you are, how understanding you are, how forgiving you are, how wise you are. You are so good, Lord. I don't even deserve how good you are. Therefore, I just want to thank you. I just want to thank you for the things that they don't know, for the things that they do. I just want to thank you for the ups, the downs, the ins and outs, the trials, the tribulations, the yes, the no's, when I wanted to do something, but you said no. Thank you. Thank you for closing certain doors. Thank you for opportunity. Thank you for life. Thank you for relationships. Thank you for every darn thing that you've